Hey everyone, we're here at Lincoln Bikes and we're at the EICMA show. Not EICMA show, where am I? I'm at the NEC show. I don't even know where I am. Anyway, I'll start that again. We're here at Lincoln Bikes, we're at the NEC Motorcycle Live, and I'm here to look at some of the Zontes bikes that we're going to get in for next year. I've actually brought a customer with me, you never know, you might want one. So one of the bikes I want to look at, let's see if I can press the right button on this. If I can. Possibly can't. Here we go. So this bike here is the 703T, the touring version of the 703, and this has got some it's really quite cool. This is not just a 19-inch wheel version of the adventure touring bike that many thought it was. What it actually is the sports bike frame, sports bike engine, wrapped up in a sports touring package that gives you a nice upright riding position. This one's got cruise control on it now with electronic fly-by-wire throttle. It's got your quick shift on the way up. It's got, though, just like the sports bike, it's got the active ram air on the front of it. So if you're after that 10% more power at 150 mile an hour, then yeah, it'll do it. Marizaki suspension front and back. This will be probably our best-selling bike of 2026. We've not got a price for it yet, but with the sports bike coming in at 6.8, so 6,799, it's going to be a proper piece of kit. So looking forward to that. Comparing it to the 703F, which you've probably seen in store, the 703F has the bigger front end and fairing on it, and it is actually a different frame completely. But when we go to this one here, you can see basically it's a much more slimline bike, a smaller bike, but definitely something that looked inflickable for the corners. Let me just remind myself on the brakes of this one. So the 703F has a J-Juan caliper on it for the UK. The Zontes 703T has you've got the Nissin brakes there. So now we've got Japanese brakes on the Zontes bikes. But yeah, just like the others, you've got fully adjustable suspension linkages on it. Real nice seat position of it. Your power will be set at 95.2 brake horsepower static, and your static horsepower is, that's how they measure the bike. At full chat feeding the ram air, there's a little bit more power that will be part of the bike. But yeah, we're looking forward to that one coming into store. I'll go on to the actual spec of it in a second so you can see. Crash bars and lights and luggage will generally be a package for the bike. This one has got, by the looks of it, this one has got your electric screen on there as well. But yeah, cruise control, phone mirroring, rider modes, quick shift on the way up, Bosch fuel injection, Bosch ABS. Oh, looking forward to this. It's going to be a great new year. Right, that's number one. I'll go on to another one in a minute. Cheers.